Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to log into HDFC Bank net banking account online. So let's get started. First, open any web browser in your mobile device. In the search bar, type in www.hdfcbank.com and hit the search button. Once the website loads, tap on the login button from the top right corner. From the menu, select the Net Banking option. In the provided field, enter the customer ID or user ID and tap on the Continue button. Next, enter your account password or PIN number. For verification, type in the text shown in the above image. Finally, tap on the login button and complete the login process. And this is how you can log into HDFC Bank net banking account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.